Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be on this eye makeup look. It is pastel pink eye makeup look. This is a no cut crease look. It's a beginner friendly tutorial. If you're wearing a pastel colored attire, then please give this eyeshadow look a try. The first eyeshadow that I would be using is brown. This is chocolate brown. I'm covering my outer V using this eyeshadow. To pack this eyeshadow, I have used flat fluffy brush from PAC. To create smokiness, I would be using a lighter tone. Beside the first eyeshadow, move the brush back and forth and in circular motion to create smokiness. Next, I would be using pastel pink eyeshadow. This is soft shimmery pastel pink eyeshadow in the palette. All the three eyeshadows are in the same line. Do not cross your crease line. Keep your crease line very sharp and pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Next, I'm using glitter and I'm placing it on the crease line to highlight the crease line. Next, I would be using liquid eyeliner from Inside to create winged eyeliner. Link to this eyeliner is in description box below. It's very affordable. It is shiny and glossy. It is peel off liner. If you're interested in purchasing, then do check the description box below. After creating winged eyeliner, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Do it carefully. The point should be sharp. Do not hurry. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Smudge the kajal using the first eyeshadow, the deep chocolate brown eyeshadow. Move the brush back and forth. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. After applying mascara, the eye makeup completes and it's done. This is the final look. If you are interested in watching more such easy and quick tutorials, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.